and gentlemen, for the ladies of such day. Come on, come on. Looking elegant tonight. Looking amazing. If you can do better than that. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the ladies of Ashley. So much. Thank you so much.
Today is a special day, and I'm happy to meet you guys again. I want you to mention your name, and my sister too. Mention your name and tell us about the elegant ladies. I want you to explain it the way you guys plan that you have to join yourself together and make yourself a wonderful show like that. I want you to say something to people.
Well, my name's Brenda Basso.
And my name is Nina Barnes.
Okay, I want to hear more from you.
Well, we've been doing the fashion show for the last year or so, is it this one? We've known each other for many years.
30 years.
And we decided to get together to do something for us ladies who are more mature. We feel that we are elegant in our ways. We all have different ways of how we love to dress, and we thought, why not? So
How we dress is that we go into our wardrobes and we find things and put them all together. We don't go buying. It's like recycling as we go along.
So sometimes if you haven't got what we need, we always swap so we can interact with each other. So that's how we get around things, don't we?
You guys are so amazing and wonderful. The way your show is so beautiful. If somebody is doing a program and she wants you to come to perform, are you ready to show up?
Yes, why not?
Well, this is the reason why we've started this, because we want to do it within ourselves and we want to be able to, to go out and do lots of shows and people invite us to anything that they want to invite us to.
Okay. I see your ladies are coming. I want them also to talk. And so far as you want people to come and invite you on their programs, later on I will let you give your telephone number in case somebody wants you to their shows, because you're so amazing. I love you guys. The way you perform is so amazing. So in fact today I saw you. I was preparing to come inside and I heard it, elegant ladies, so I quickly take my camera and come. In fact when I came, I just saw you. Yeah, I just saw only you and all of them gone. In fact, I was so disappointed. I asked Nana, and Nana said you will come back again. I've already talked to you guys. I want you guys also mention your name and continue, please.
I'm Lynn Bennett and I'm from Milton Keynes.
Yeah?
And I'm one of the elegant ladies of Bletchley.
Okay. One after the other. Okay. You also?
I'm Precious
All right.
from Bletchley in Milton Keynes, and I'm one of the elegant ladies.
Okay. Okay. One lady, that black.
She's on her way.
She was on her way, yeah? All right. I want you to tell us about your telephone number in case somebody wants to invite you on their programs. They can contact you on their programs. I want you to tell us where we can find you.
Nina Barnes on 073 5959 7476.
Okay. I want you guys to say Christmas is coming. I want one by one. I want you to say hello, something special to friends and family about the Christmas wishes. Okay. About Christmas is around the corner. So I want you to say something, greetings to your friends, family and friends, one by one. Okay? Okay, I'm from right. Say something about family and friends. Okay.
Merry Christmas to all my friends and family. Have a fantastic and a blessed Christmas.
All right.
I would wish all the fabulous ladies of Bletchley a Merry Christmas, and I'm glad you're all here to celebrate it today. And a happy Christmas to my family. Thank you.
Okay.
I'd like to say happy Christmas to my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren and my daughter, who I love so much and can't wait to have Christmas with.
Okay.
I want to wish everybody a happy and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, especially to my son and my daughter who are going to spend Christmas with ourselves this year.
All right. Okay, sweetheart, you just arrived. I want you to mention your name and send Christmas greetings to family and friends.
Hi, I'm Shirley. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay positive and stay blessed. Love you all.
All right, sweetheart, I want you to say something. I want you to tell people that if somebody is doing wedding, engagement, party, award night like this, anything they want you are ready to come and perform, give them amazing shows like you always do. This is the chance, opportunity to showcase yourself. Yeah? So I want you to talk to people, they are watching us.
Yes. Hi, we're the elegant ladies of Bletchley, and we're ready to perform for any venue, any parties that's going. Just give us a ring and we'll be ready to perform for you. Thank you.
Okay.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Cheers!
Merry Christmas, my beautiful children. Love you, love.
All right, guys, then I will see you guys again. Bye. Hello, sweetheart, mention your name for us.
Hi, good evening. My name's Karen Morgan. I'm here with the Elegant Ladies in support of Lena Barnes, that's about to receive an award for choreographer, music and dance over the last 40 plus years.
People like you guys' performance. Do you know that?
So that again, sorry?
People like you guys' performance.
Oh, okay. We appreciate that. We like all the support. We appreciate every support that everyone has to offer, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We appreciate every support that's out there for us.
Okay, say something to greetings to friends or family about the Christmas.
We wish you all a wonderful season greetings and happy holidays. Enjoy, come together, unite, and just celebrate being one love, basically.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, I heard somebody say just the other day, how love made around. People trying to find a way out, trying to find some peace of mind. And where you might begin to see some. Some of the things keep on walking just the same. It's a hard way. Still your voice keeps me okay. Even when the nights get cold, your memory's worth its weight in gold. Sometimes love ain't easy, but when it's real, you fight for it. Yeah. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but I keep on walking just the same. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but your love's the end of my pain. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but I keep on walking just the same. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but your love is the end of my Let's put those hands together. Make some noise for the ladies of the next. I see your face. Every mile another trail. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but I keep on walking just the same. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but your love is the end of my pain. Still talking, still hard, still hard, still hard, to your heart, still hard, still hard, still hard. I've been walking this road so long, trying to find where my heart belongs. Every time I see your face, every mile another trace. It's a hard road to your heart, baby, but I keep on walking just the same. Still walking, still talking to your heart. Please, ladies and gentlemen, do them the honors by putting your hands together. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Make some noise. Let's go. Amazing. Thank you so much. Stella,
Right here.
we're back on duty, my love.